So Courtney Love is my problematic fave, and I'm turning myself into her as I am a 90s baby to my core, and I can't do this series without doing Courtney Love. Like, what was the 90s without Courtney Love? I'm hot. I'm gonna have to go put shorts on, but I don't want to get up. I was like a kid in the 90s, so I didn't really get to experience like the super fun parts of the 90s. My foundation and my eyebrows are already on. I tried to do a super matte look. I'm really not with the matte vibe at all, but that was kind of the look in the 90s, and Courtney Love definitely did like the matte vibe of her base. For my makeup, this is the kind of look I'm going for. A grungy, smoky, brown, smudgy eye look. So yeah, I really don't want to get into like controversies of Courtney Love and Kurt Cobain, obviously. This is more of an ode to her legendary fashion and her legendary look. No. Oh, here we go. I'm about to get irritated.
I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town.
I have the world's most sensitive eyeballs. If I drop one more thing,
We're searching for the lost and found.
It's okay. It's okay. And we might just have to not do eyeliner. Courtney's makeup and just the general vibe of makeup in the 90s, the base was very matte. There were a lot of neutral, earthy, nudie tones, like browns. Love it. I live lips, eyes, all of it. I feel like fashion absolutely thrived in the 90s in a lot of ways, but now the 90s is back. It's back. It's not going anywhere. It's here to stay. Yes, I just licked that. Wow. Okay. Off to a great start once again. Like, say what you want about Courtney Love, but Courtney, she's the absolute queen of mixing a feminine element with a grungy, ugly element. The slips with the flower crowns, the fishnets, and combat boots. Completely mixing opposite ends of the spectrum and making something beautiful. I want to take inspo from her fashion while I recreate some, like funny, memorable moments of her, and also recreate like some badass, iconic photos that she has taken or had taken of her over the years, specifically in the 90s. Like, my favorite Courtney, even though it was probably the most destructive Courtney, was pre-glow up. She was, and always will be a fashion icon, a legendary personality. Like, she will always be those things. You can love her or hate her. There's not much in between, and that's probably why I love her. When her hair is crazy, and even when her lipstick is smudged, and all those things, it's just like, it's a look. It's a look. So, we all have known someone or ourselves have been addicted to drugs at one point or another. And like, literally just acting like she's a horrible human just for becoming addicted to drugs is a little ridiculous, in my opinion. I mean, I don't personally know her, so like, I was gonna do like fake eyelashes, but do you really think that Courtney wore fake eyelashes? Probably not a lot. God, I have to burp. Dude, every time I'm about to use a pencil, it needs sharpened. Freaking don't even like pencil things. Our sharpener's in the bathroom, so we're just gonna see how long I can do this before. Courtney has big, juicy lips, even pre-filler, plastic surgery, all those things. So I'm gonna overline the hell out of my lips. Also, let's talk about Frances Bean Cobain for a minute. Obviously, that is Kurt and Courtney's daughter. Not only is she stunningly beautiful, but her voice.
Crazy for it, you think I'm going down.
Obviously, she got her musical gifts from her parents and, you know, on her own. She just sings and performs with such emotion. Well, it's a good thing we're doing Courtney Love lips because mine are definitely not going to be perfect. If you haven't listened to Frances Bean Cocaine. If you haven't listened to Frances Bean Cobain's music, you need to. When I started this series, it was just going to be like 5 videos, but then I keep thinking of more people that I want to turn myself into. So definitely got the smudged lip going on, but basically the look is done. As far as my makeup, I'm gonna go put my wig on and then throw in a montage of myself pretending to be Courtney Love.
I was a bit of a nutbag, and I'm not anymore. This is sexy lingerie, and that is not for court.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Are you an alcoholic?
No, but I was a huge drug addict. It was a really huge secret, so don't tell anybody. Well, I have mad episodes because I'm a bit mad. So, yeah, that's it. Okay, bye.